Hey all food lovers and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you all how to prepare sprouted moong dal. We all know that sprouts have very high nutritional value, and if you eat sprouts every day for the breakfast, it will make your life even more healthier. So using these sprouts, today I'll prepare a popular Goan dish called Moonga Gaathi, that is your sprouted split green gram curry. This dish is mostly prepared for breakfast or lunch and had with hot pooris or bread. So without wasting much time, let's move on to the cooking process.
I've taken 250 grams of moong dal. So first clean the moong dal of any impurities and soak it in water for 6 hours overnight. After that, drain the water and put it in a damp muslin cloth and tie it tightly with a knot. Keep it in a kitchen cabinet or any dark and warm place. It mostly takes 1 day for this moong to sprout. If you're keeping it for 3 to 4 days, make sure you sprinkle water on the muslin cloth every day so that the sprout doesn't dry out. Once the moong has sprouted, wash it and drain it. Transfer the sprouts in a separate vessel and add sufficient water to cover the sprouts. Add 3 slitted green chillies, 1 teaspoon salt, and cook it for 25 to 30 minutes on medium flame till the sprouts are cooked. For masala, heat a pan, add 5 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, 3 teaspoon coriander seeds, 5 dried red chillies, and dry roast them. Separately roast 200 grams of freshly grated coconut till light brown in color and then switch off the gas. To this roasted coconut, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and lemon sized ball of tamarind and roasted spices. Grind this mixture into a fine paste using little water. Add the ground masala to the cooked sprouts. Check for seasonings and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 20 grams of sugarcane jaggery and mix well. For tempering, heat a pan, add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 sprig curry leaf and 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Mix well and pour this tempering on top of the curry. Sprouted moong dal curry is ready to be served with hot pooris.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this recipe, you all can write in the comment section below. Summer has arrived. Temperature is increasing, so don't forget to keep yourself hydrated. It's very important. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.